Welcome to Taylor's University School of Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary Arts. Hello there, I'm Nitya, the Dean of the school. I'm indeed happy to invite all of you to this new and interesting initiative, which is commonly known as Massive Open Online Courses or MOOCs. As many of you may be aware, Taylor's School of Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary Arts is one of the oldest schools in this country, if not the region, in offering hospitality, tourism and culinary arts program. Recently, we have been rated the highest rating by the Ministry of Education and Malaysian Qualification Agency in the discipline Setara rating for hospitality and tourism. We have achieved a Tier 6 rating, which is a testimony to our academic quality and reputation in this field. With the university's key initiative on transformational teaching and learning, we have introduced numerous technology-based teaching and learning platforms through our blended learning approaches. The introduction of X-Space Collaborative Classroom has transformed the traditional classroom into flipped classroom. This has indeed made student learning more collaborative and active in nature. Massive online open courses are a new model for online courses that have quickly gained interest and support among universities recently worldwide. MOOCs are built on efficiency of scale, giving access to teaching of a world-class lecture to thousands of students at once. I'm glad to launch the School of Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary Arts' first MOOC course entitled Wonderful Styles of Food and Beverage Around the World by our very own F&B lecturer, Mr. Kandapan Balasubramanian. Thanks and enjoy your learning experience.
Hi everyone, welcome to the School of Hospitality, Tourism and Culinary Arts. I welcome you everyone to the 4-week MOOCs course on F&B operation styles around the world. Please welcome to our restaurant. Okay, this MOOCs 4 weeks course program is basically going to cover you to enlighten you into the different styles of F&B styles which is practiced all over the globe. Basically what we are going to cover in the short span of 4 weeks course, we are going to insight you to the world of F&B setup, which covers from basically we have categorized the entire restaurant into 3 different styles of restaurant. One is the casual restaurant, one is the fine dining restaurant, and third one is the beverage outlets. So from the week 1 to 3 we will be talking about all the different styles of restaurant, why it is so different, what makes them called in different names. So later on the 4th week we are going to teach you how to do a basic table setup for a fine dining and for a different kinds of occasion, like for a marriage party how the setup should be, for the buffet and for a simple setup for the birthday functions. And also we are going to teach you a basic dining ethics which you have to practice whenever you go for any restaurant, because in the current scenario the fine dining concept is really hitting the market, and people traveling from various parts of the world, and we also travel to various parts of the world. So I think it is not bad to learn the basic culture and basic ethics when you go to a restaurant, how you should go, how to sit, how to use your table fork, table knife, so where to place your table knife, table fork, after you dine in, how to close your fork and knives. So these are all the basic things which we are going to cover in the 4 weeks module. I think this 4-week module is mainly we framed each and every week you have a short quiz or assessment just to test whether you are really able to acquire the knowledge which we want to transfer to you, and the overall module really helps you to know what are the different styles of F&B outlets around the world. So when you travel around the world you may not be surprised. And the main objective of this course is not only to learn, we want probably people traveling to various parts, wherever we travel we prefer to taste our own food. We don't want to try the different thing because we don't know what is inside the restaurant. That's why I think this course will help you to know better. Okay, if it is called bistro, what is bistro? What does it mean? What kind of food is served? So if I go to steakhouse, what normally they serve? If I go to casual dining restaurant, what they serve? So this gives a clear idea for you before you park into any restaurant what you are going to expect from various types of restaurants. I think at the end of the course you really will enjoy the journey of the 4 weeks, and at the end of the course you really have knowledge about the F&B, and maybe the continuity of this course will be further developed into more professional way. I think hope to see you all. Hope everyone will enjoy the course. Thank you.